Hey everyone, thanks for stopping in at Two Stall Garage. We're back in the shop today with this Jeep Liberty, and we want to get the brake light to go away. We want to get the ABS light to go away. So let's take a look, see what we can find. Okay, so here's our connector. This is our rear speed sensor. This one just mounts right onto the rear differential. We're gonna go ahead and pull this off. Now that we have this off, what we're gonna do is we're gonna check for 12 volt power. If we don't have 12 volts, we know we got something going on with the wiring. Oh, look at that. It's broke right there. That's pretty simple diagnosis potentially. You guys can see this right there. It is broken. So let's go ahead and get that replaced. We'll see if we can get the ABS and brake light off. All right, we're gonna turn on our flashlight. Here we go. You can see the part right here. Broken right there. Let's see which wire. Here. Well, they're both green. Looks like this might have been repaired once before in its time. Not for sure though. Yeah, I would say it's been repaired once already. Well, we're gonna replace this completely. Obviously we're not getting 12 volts out of that. So it didn't really look corroded. Obviously had a wire break going on. I'm gonna show you what we got for a new part. Okay, so here's our new part. Just compare. That's gonna be how it goes. Looks good. Got a part number for you. 1P2047. And this is by WVE. With this part, you obviously get your pigtail adapter and you get a couple cable connectors. Went ahead and trim those back just a little bit. We're gonna go grab some wire cutters. All right, let's cut these clean. There we go. Okay, these are way big for what they should be, but we're gonna make them work. We're gonna drop them over. We gotta get some new solder sleeves in. Back up. Hey buddy, can you guys see Moose? You really shouldn't be under there. I know we have plenty of jacks. You silly puppy. Moose is laying right with me under here. He often likes to crawl right up on top of my chest and lay down, but it's not always the most comfortable. So we're gonna put these little sleeves over. We're actually gonna do two to give it a little extra protection. There's a smaller gauge and a bigger gauge. All the way down. All the way down again. All right, so there, we're gonna be ready to go here. Okay, now that we got them on, we're gonna slide these sleeves over. Potentially slide the sleeve up and over. And now, without blowing yourself up, remember your tank's right here. Okay, so we got wires connected, sleeves are on. I'm going to connect it up, and once that's connected, we're going to go turn on the Jeep. Not going to start it, but we're going to turn the key on so that way we can see if that brake light goes away. If the brake light goes away, we should be ready to finish securing up these wires. Let's get a click here. There we go. If the brake light goes away, we're ready to secure up these wires and then take it down the road, and shortly the ABS light should go off. Let's go to the cab real quick. All right, as you can see, we're still at 264.33. We're about to take a long trip, so we hope we can get this working so we can count some miles on this thing finally. It's been like this for over a year now. Let's turn on the key. And with that said, the brake light is off. That is exactly what we want to see. We've got our ABS light that's still on. We're gonna go ahead and shut the key off. And we're gonna secure up those wires the rest of the way right now. Well, Moose has jumped up in the Jeep now. Hey, there he's down. Hey, buddy. I wasn't staying up there, huh? There we go. Now, hopefully this holds for quite some time. I would think that it will. But then again, the conditions down here are kind of tough as far as underneath the vehicle goes. So we will soon find out. I'm gonna grab a little bit more conduit and I'm gonna cover that all the way up. Be right back. This would be a lot easier standing up, but we'll lay on the ground. See if we can get this in here. I'm gonna make it look pretty. Plus it will protect it. And there we go. Let's tape this up. Now we're gonna do one last tape right up over the sensor here, right where the protective tubing meets up with the adapter. And you probably can't see this, but you're gonna have to take my word for it. Knife up here. There we go. All right, you should be able to see it right there. You can see where we did the repair. Right there is the start. Swings around, connects into our new pigtail adapter. I'm gonna get out from underneath the vehicle, pick up the tools, get dressed, get cleaned up, and let's take this for a drive. Okay, here we go. Brake light is still off. Let's see how long it takes to take that ABS light and clear it off. Here's drive. Let's pull out of the garage here. Turn our air conditioning on. It's a little hot out. And there it is, the ABS light is off. Let's see if we can count some miles here. There's our trip meter. It's been quite a road with this Jeep Liberty CRD, but we're still getting stuff done, at least one day at a time, making progress. And there's your confirmation. We're at 0.1 miles. For the first time in over a year, well over a year, it might be coming up on 2 years, we are starting to count our mileage again. Here we go, 264.35. That's 2 miles to the good, and we are officially counting again. No ABS light, no brake light. That's gonna do it for this episode. Thankfully we lucked out and we found that break in the wire right away. Didn't have to take the rear seat out, didn't have to trace the wires, hardly at all. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for us, please. Hit that subscribe button and hang out with us again. Let us know what you're working on. And head on over to our Facebook page at 2 Stall Garage, and head over to Instagram at 2 Stall Garage LLC. Hope you guys and gals have a great day. Catch you next time. Bye-bye.